Hi YouTube, look, my best colour nail polish, only from Poundland for £1. Yeah, so I'm just enjoying my summer holidays and I put together this project and I'm gonna do a whole video later on, but a couple of the things what I bought are here. I wanted to share this project with you. So I picked up this folder, A4 folder from Poundland yesterday, and I've started to decorate it with my Gorjuss girls and contact paper. Remember that sticky vinyl thing from school days? And I bought these gems, adhesive gems, 10mm, with my niece yesterday from Poundland also. And I'm going to use some of the red ones. So I'll just show you what I've done so far. So you know, like this folder thing, this, what I've done is usually £10, and I've made it for a few pounds, because if you already have this comes from, you know, the Gorjuss Girl packs of paper from Amazon, and then contact paper you can just pick up from a supermarket or something, £2.50 or £3.50 for a roll. And then look, oh, this is my favourite girl, Ruby, and this is just cheap folder which I'm going to put some page protectors inside, and then I'll have a really nice folder with my best girl, and I'm going to put some of these gems around the outside just to cover loose bits of contact plastic that haven't stuck properly, or just to design the outside, you know, make it look more pretty. It's so hot these days, isn't it, in the UK, England? My nephew's gone to Scotland for a trekking holiday. He's so lucky with his father. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this idea really, because you know, if you bought this folder already made from the company Santaro, well, it will be about £30. So I think you should make it yourself, design it at home for only pounds. Yeah, I hope you like this idea. I really like it. I'm so happy I woke up especially early to do this. Oh yeah, I've been dreaming about it all night long. So funny, but it's so true. Anyway, see you, take care. Oh, when I tried the dryer technique for my dyes, oh my god, it's fabulous. It works so well. I wish I'd known about it many years ago. I used to have such difficulty getting the intricate dyes out of the actual dye. People would rip and tear. But now, thanks to the dry sheet technique, it's just life-changing. So funny. Anyway, take care. Rate my idea if you like this. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And rate this and write me a comment if you wish to. I could reply back. I'm so happy. Oh my god, it's so easy as well. Okay, take care. Bye. Have a great summer. Stay well. Put suntan lotion on or sunblock if you burn easily. Take care. See you. Bye.